quick turn Smart 200M with milling function combines productivity, high accuracy and high reliability to deliver the performance you have been seeking, offering 350 mm in machining diameter and up to 65 mm in bar diameter. The latest generation CNC system, Mazatral Smart, delivers unsurpassed operating efficiency. Simplified 2 and 3 axis turning packed with high-performance features at a surprisingly affordable level of investment. Including powerful direct drive spindles, linear guides, a compact fast indexing tool turret, as well as an NC tailstock. More ergonomic and more efficient. Machine characteristics: high-powered integrated spindle motor, user-friendly smart CNC control, CNC programmable tailstock, through-hole chuck packages, automatic tool on, easy integration of bar feeders and gantry robots for unmanned operation.